Today we're going to make a Baby Yoda to go in your front yard at Christmas. There you go. We're going to make it on sanded plywood. So draw the Baby Yoda. We're making it come out of a Christmas present. And use a jigsaw to cut out the shape. After the Baby Yoda is cut out, we're going to paint the present yellow with a red bow. Then paint Baby Yoda the way he looked in the Mandalorian TV show. You can do the Yoda whatever color green you think works best. Just make sure to do the details for his eyes and highlights. Use the drill and twist ties to make one of his hands able to hold something. And we stapled a ribbon to the side of the present. Make sure to cover the Yoda with a sealant and make a stand for the back. Then you can use the twist ties to put the candy cane in Baby Yoda's hand. And you're all done. Merry Christmas, Baby Yoda.